We're making popcorn.
No, nowhere near making popcorn. Let's use my favorite. Okay, guys. First of all, we're shooting this way because it's easier for you to see, but also the kitchen is a mess and the dishes have not been washed yet. We are doing arrowroot curry. We're making arrowroot cheese bread. Okay. This is a complete different twist on the famous Brazilian cheese pão de queijo. We're gonna start with 1 cup of arrowroot.
Can I put it?
That is similar to tapioca.
Can I put it in?
Good. Whoa, gentle. This is a messy one. Yeah, don't forget about it. Learn from my mistakes, my child. I'm gonna put half a teaspoon of salt. Put it in. Whoop. Let's start with the seasoning. I'm gonna put some.
Can I put it in?
Yeah, put some Italian seasoning in. Somewhere around like half a teaspoon. This is honestly, it's whatever you like. Oi, guys. All right, let's get organized. Otherwise, this kitchen is gonna be a mess. We're gonna put a curry powder.
Put it up.
We're going to put ground turmeric. We're gonna put the ground turmeric. Okay, to make it nice and yellow. A cup of grated cheese. I put Parmigiano. Thank you, Audrey. Okay. Our last ingredient is gonna be sour cream.
And I mix it.
I'm gonna mix this for now. You're gonna help me make the little balls. I'm preheating the oven to 350, and we're gonna cook this, guys, on a baking sheet. I use the pizza one because it has the little holes and will allow those guys to puff. Let's make the sour cream. If it has a little bit of liquid, I've been using, this is not new ingredient, I've been using it. It has a little bit of liquid, just toss it. Okay. I hope you can see over the shoulder and I'm not blocking everything. It's hard when you don't have, a filming crew. Maybe we should invest in that. Maybe some point. I think, honestly, we have left like about a cup of sour cream. So I'm just going to put, I'm just going to toss it in here. It's going to be easy.
Can I lick it?
The spoon?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's sour cream, though.
Sour?
It's not sour, but, it's not sweet either. The key to this cheese puffs is eat them when they're cooled down. They're going to be chewy, okay? If you try to eat them when they are right out of the oven, they're gonna be way too chewy, and it's gonna be, I don't know. I don't really like the texture when they're out of the oven, but I do like them when they're cooled down after 20 minutes. But if you see if it's too dry, you can add a little bit of water, a little bit of broth, and just work with patience. The original recipe of pão de queijo is nowhere near this. You don't make it like this. You use cheese, eggs, milk, tapioca starch, and butter or oil. This one is like an easier, faster. You also have to cook it on the stove. I like this because it's easier, faster, and honestly, ooh. Thank you, Owen. Honestly, I like recipes. I like hacking recipes. Okay, I think this guy might be getting a little bit too dry. Whoopla. Because indeed, maybe it wasn't a full cup of sour cream. Let's see. Let's see if we can start blending it. There we go. Also in Paraguay, they do something called chipa. That it's similar, but instead of using tapioca starch, they use cassava flour. So all these little variations in South America. And then we worked on this one because eggs don't love me back. That's, well, actually we won't need. We're good. We're good. Also, if the dough is too wet, which it might happen, because you have to figure out and play around a little bit with what works, If the dough is too wet, you can add extra arrowroot. You can also try it with tapioca flour. You can try it with cassava flour. If you're not familiar with this type of starches, they are chewy. So you won't feel like a regular cheese bread bun. It's gonna be chewy. But you're used to eating your mom's crazy recipes. Okay, here we go. Look at that. Nice solid dough. And now we're gonna start making the little cheese balls. We're gonna bake them for about 20 minutes. I like them flat because they will go really well with soup. You can make them rounder. Audrey, you're still with us?
Yes.
Yes, you wanna help me make one of these? Make a ball. Make sure your hands are clean though. So if you have a gluten intolerance, these are perfect for you. They do have dairy. I have not made them without dairy. I have not made them with a vegan sour cream or vegan cheese, so I can't tell, but you're more than welcome to explore. Okay, and this guy's now 20 minutes into the oven. 20 minutes in the oven and something magical came out.
Now
Put them all the way in the back. They cook faster. 20 minutes, and I think they're not quite there yet. You see? Let me see if we can flip the bottom. It's starting to brown. I'm gonna add 5 more minutes and then take it from there. And this is the end result. I broiled them the last minute to give a little bit more color, more hump. And now we're gonna eat them with the double lentil soup. Make sure that rule number 1 while making this, guys, is do not eat them hot. Allow them to cool off. Yes, my love.
What are you doing?